All right, I just wanted to go over my master's project as far as what I did with my unit plan. How I set it up was I put it all onto a Google Classroom, and the link to that Google Classroom is right here. Okay, it is GXR24HJ. You can go on there, and I will also copy this link and share it on my submission of my project as well, just so you have that. And you can come on here and take a look. I'll just sort of go through what I put on there. I have my scope and sequence document that just goes over what's in my unit and goes through about the 4 weeks of my unit. And then I also have a packet that went through it. Here it is that the students would have. I did some videos for them, or Edpuzzles, to introduce the beginning. Then we had some readings. What I wanted to talk to you about is right here. I have 3 videos that I recorded that would simulate me having class with the students in a Zoom. I didn't want to do a Zoom because I didn't have any students to participate, so I just made it with the Cast-O-Matic and did a little acting and acted like I had the students there and I was talking with them, and just did some short videos to show how I would work with the students in the online setting. I also put in some quizzes here and more videos. And then at the end, I have my unit test, and I gave a very specific window for the students to work on it, and then I can monitor that test as they take it on Google Forms. Also, I included a student-based, student-led project here, and all of these here, if you look at my week 3 video, I sort of go through them with the students and explain how I want them to look at each one of these items that will help them with their project. If you have any questions, of course, I can answer them. Hopefully this is what you were looking for on that project. Like I said, it's the entire unit in one Google Classroom. So hopefully this helps. Thank you very much. And like I said, I will attach a link to it. And if you want me to too, I guess I can go ahead and just add you to the classroom so you can take a look at it. Thanks very much.